I've been using StudyFetch for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth using as a study tool in 2025. StudyFetch is an AI-powered platform built for students who want to turn their materials, like PDFs, lecture notes, or even YouTube videos, into flashcards, summaries, quizzes, and more. One of its best features is Spark.e, their AI tutor that helps you understand difficult concepts, answer questions, and even provide feedback on your written answers. The interface is simple to use, and it supports a variety of file types, which makes it convenient for students juggling multiple subjects. But while the tool is impressive in many ways, it's not perfect. The free version is very limited, and if you're planning to use it regularly, you'll likely need to subscribe. Also, how well it works really depends on what you upload. If your material is unclear or poorly formatted, the AI-generated content won't be very accurate or helpful. It's also important not to rely too heavily on the platform, especially when it comes to subjects that require critical thinking and manual problem solving. AI is helpful, but it shouldn't replace your own learning effort. So overall, StudyFetch is a great option if you want to save time and stay organized, especially during exam season. It's ideal for students who already know what they're studying and just need help reinforcing the material. Just be smart about how you use it and make sure your inputs are clean. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.